पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो ज़रदारी का जिक्र करेंगे, जो ये कहते हैं कि ना सिर्फ पाकिस्तान बल्कि पूरी दुनिया के अवाम की नजरें अमन मज़ाकरात पर मरकूज़ हैं। ये एक बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है कि फ़रीक़ैन मज़ाकरात की मेज़ पर आकर बैठ गए हैं। जंग से कुछ हफ्तों में बहुत ज़्यादा तबाही हुई, जंग किसी मसले का हल नहीं। वो अरब मीडिया को इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे।
I think not only the people of Pakistan, the people of the entire world are looking with cautious optimism to the talks that are starting to take place in Islamabad. We've all witnessed over the course of the last 6 weeks or so the devastation of war, not only in the terms of the human cost, the lives lost in this conflict, but the economic cost, which is reverberated around the world. I think the fact that these talks are taking place is the biggest achievement so far. It's significant that the ceasefire is in effect. The bombing has stopped in Iran and across most of the Middle East. And the two major partners are now negotiating. We hope that this ceasefire now is built upon towards a more lasting and permanent resolution to this conflict. A whole host of countries have been involved in trying to create the diplomatic space necessary to achieve this ceasefire. I would obviously like to, in that context, thank the leadership of Iran and the leadership of the United States for agreeing to have the ceasefire and continue discussions, but then obviously also the leadership not only of Pakistan, but of China, of Saudi Arabia, of Turkey, of Egypt, of Qatar, and many other GCC countries. Everybody, the entire globe has been affected by this. So everybody has been making a joint and collective effort to try and create the necessary diplomatic space for this ceasefire to take place and for further discussions to now proceed. Obviously, they're complex, they're challenging, but I think what we witnessed over the last 6 weeks is war is not an option.